The unique benefits of chicken feet for skin and bone health. Did you know that one of the most important secrets to having strong bones and shiny skin is hidden in chicken feet? They're just like an expensive serum. If you thought chicken feet were just for soup, think again. Though they may sound unappealing to some, chicken feet are a treasure trove of nutrients. Let's dive into their amazing benefits and discover why they are essential in health and beauty routines. This video showcases the incredible advantages of chicken feet, from preventing osteoporosis to making your skin glow, along with how much to eat and how to prepare them. So stay with us until the end of the video. Let's get started. Let's take a look at the nutritional properties of chicken feet. As you can see, they are packed with protein, calcium, phosphorus, and folate. These simple feet offer more than you'd expect. Do you agree? 1. Increasing joint health and preventing arthritis. Do your joints sound like rusty hinges? Chicken feet may be the remedy they need. The cartilage and gelatin found in chicken feet are natural lubricants for your joints, reducing stiffness and discomfort. Glucosamine and chondroitin, which are present in cartilage, are well known for their benefits in supporting joint health. These compounds help reduce inflammation and alleviate symptoms associated with arthritis by promoting cartilage repair. Regular consumption can improve joint mobility and reduce pain, making chicken feet a valuable supplement for those suffering from joint problems. Be sure to try the calcium-enhancing chicken feet soup. You can watch this recipe at the end of the video. 2. Strengthening bones and reducing the risk of osteoporosis. Chicken feet are rich in calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, essential minerals for bone density and strength. These minerals support bone health, particularly for individuals over 50, and help reduce the risk of fractures and osteoporosis, especially in postmenopausal women. Including chicken feet in your diet can be an effective way to support your bone health naturally. Studies have shown that collagen consumption can improve bone mineral density, making chicken feet an intelligent choice for maintaining strong bones. 3. A natural way to reduce blood pressure. Did you know that chicken feet can help lower your blood pressure? They contain collagen peptides that improve blood vessel flexibility, contributing to lower blood pressure. Studies show that these peptides enhance blood flow and may help reduce blood pressure naturally. Additionally, chicken feet contain proline, an amino acid that supports artery health by preventing plaque buildup. The potassium found in chicken feet also helps balance sodium levels in the body, effectively regulating blood pressure. Recipe: Spicy chicken feet stew. Ingredients: 10 chicken feet, 1 chili pepper, 1 onion, garlic, soy sauce, vegetables. Instructions: Sauté garlic and onion, then add chicken feet and chili pepper. Pour in soy sauce and simmer for 40 minutes. Enjoy this stew to support healthy blood pressure. 4. Healing wounds with chicken feet. Imagine having a magical elixir that speeds up the healing of cuts and scrapes. Chicken feet are that elixir. Their rich collagen content supports wound healing, which is crucial in skin regeneration and tissue repair. Approximately 70% of the protein in chicken feet is collagen, making them an excellent natural source. Just as a skilled craftsman carefully restores a broken piece of art, the nutrients in chicken feet help repair your skin quickly and effectively. This is especially beneficial for athletes or individuals recovering from injuries, as it can help speed up recovery time. 5. Boosting the immune system. What if you could enhance your immune system with chicken feet? Think of your immune system as an army defending your body against invaders. It needs resources to stay strong and alert. Chicken feet contain essential nutrients such as collagen, zinc, glycine, and amino acids that help strengthen the immune system. Collagen supports gut health, which is directly linked to immune function, while zinc plays a vital role in producing immune cells. The glycine in chicken feet helps reduce inflammation and promotes restful sleep, both crucial for bolstering the immune system. 6. Rich in collagen, the secret to skin youth. Have you ever wondered why collagen supplements are so popular? The secret lies in their transformative power for skin health. Chicken feet are incredibly rich in collagen, a protein essential for maintaining skin elasticity and hydration. Hydration is one of the key factors that contributes to a youthful appearance. Think of hydration as the lifeblood of healthy skin. The gelatin from the collagen in chicken feet acts like a sponge, absorbing moisture and helping to keep your skin hydrated. This moisture retention can lead to a more plump and radiant complexion. Collagen also serves as a scaffold for your skin, preventing sagging as you age. 7. Overall gut health with chicken feet. Think of your gut as the engine room of a ship. For everything to function smoothly, it needs the right fuel. Chicken foot gelatin aids digestion by supporting the lining of the gut and promoting overall digestive health, just like oil ensures that every part of the engine works seamlessly. When your gut is healthy, it can efficiently absorb nutrients and support your overall well-being. This can increase energy levels, better mood, and even enhanced immune function. 8. Mood enhancer, supporting mental health. Can the food on your plate affect how you feel? Absolutely. Think of collagen as a soothing friend that wraps around your nervous system, regulates your mood, and alleviates stress. Studies show that collagen may play a role in mental health, enhancing brain function and emotional well-being. 9. Maintaining a healthy weight with chicken feet. Are you one of those people who have difficulty losing weight? Chicken feet are high in protein and low in carbs, so they can help keep you full without the unnecessary calories. Their protein content boosts metabolism, promoting weight management over time. Adding chicken feet to your meals allows you to enjoy a satisfying and nutritious option that supports your weight goals while delighting your taste buds. 10. Improvement of nail, hair, and skin health. Why spend a fortune on beauty products when the solution is already on your plate? Chicken feet are an excellent natural source of collagen, playing a crucial role in enhancing nail and hair health. Collagen provides the necessary building blocks for keratin, the protein that forms the structure of hair and nails. Additionally, chicken feet contain essential amino acids and minerals that improve blood circulation, further supporting healthy hair growth by ensuring hair follicles receive adequate nutrients. How to prepare chicken feet. First, soak the chicken feet in a large amount of salt for 10 to 15 minutes. Then, wash them well and cook with spices, half a cup of vinegar, salt, and pepper for 8 to 12 hours on low heat. This slow cooking process extracts the maximum nutrients and flavor. After cooking, strain the mixture. You can pour this extract into any desired mold and refrigerate it overnight to harden. Divide it into pieces and store in the freezer for easy access. Recommended daily intake. The recommended daily intake of chicken feet is usually around 2 to 4 pieces, which is approximately 70 to 140 grams per day. If you boil and strain a significant amount of chicken feet, you can consume 2 to 3 tablespoons of this extract daily in meals, soups, stews, or salad dressings. Note: while chicken feet are rich in collagen and beneficial for joint and skin health, they also contain high cholesterol and sodium. This can lead to heartburn, increased cholesterol levels, elevated blood pressure, fluid retention, and a higher risk of heart disease. So, moderation is key. If you want to explore other ways to strengthen bones, don't miss this video. Thank you for watching.